Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Redfin for investment property searches, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Redfin for investment property searches, start by visiting the Redfin website. Locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will see options to create an account using your email or through social media platforms. If you choose the email option, enter a valid email address. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Alternatively, if you prefer using social media, select the appropriate platform and follow the prompts to log in. Once you complete the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Redfin homepage. Log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Search tab at the top of the page. Select Investment Properties from the drop-down menu. Enter the desired location in the search bar. Use the filters to adjust your search criteria, such as price range and property type. Click the search button to see the available properties. To save your search, click on the Save Search option. Set alerts for new listings by selecting your preferences. Explore the detailed property listings to gather information. Use the tools provided to analyze potential investment opportunities. For any additional assistance, refer to the Help section or contact Redfin support. Repeat these steps as necessary to refine your search or explore different areas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.